For a check on the weather conditions here in Korea and around the world, we are now going over to our Kwon So-ah standing by at the Weather Center for more. So-ah, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening to all our viewers. Now, I hope you all spent your time wisely over the weekend with the mild weather because it's getting colder again. And this is due to a continental high pressure front expanding from the northwest. Now, while skies were pretty foggy the last 2 days, Tuesday is expected to be mainly clear across the whole nation. However, in parts of the coastal areas of Jeolla province and down on Jeju Island, there are chances of a mix of snow and rain, so be prepared for that. Now, other than that, we'll have strong winds blowing through along with the cold air coming in, so please make sure to dress warmer than you did today. So let's take a closer look at the numbers. The capital Seoul will start off around 8 degrees lower than today at -9 degrees and stays cold throughout the day in the negatives. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan's lows should range between -1 and -3, while the highs will make it to the positives. And moving over to Daejeon, which begins at -6 and hits -2 later in the day. Jeju Island and Dokdo will be also pretty chilly, while Myeongkang's low falls to -15. So don't forget that it'll feel colder than the actual temperatures due to the winds. And now let's take a look at the international weather. Let's start off in Beijing. If you enjoyed the pretty mild weather over the weekend, now it's time to bundle up again, for Tuesday's high should peak at just -4 degrees. It's not unusual for Tokyo to be this mild this time of the year, but later in the week it'll get slightly cooler. Islamabad's nighttime low should drop by nearly 20 degrees, so make sure to have a warm coat with you. But you won't need a coat in Bangkok, of course, where it's going to be blistering hot. Down in Australia, you won't have to deal with exceptionally high temperatures in Perth on Tuesday, but later in the week you will. Sydney and Melbourne will be pretty warm. New Zealand's Wellington should be rainy. And moving to North America, where Montreal expects a mix of rain and freezing rain in the morning, which later will give way to just rain. Get ready for a round of snow in Vancouver, and morning rain showers are in store for New York and Los Angeles. Further down, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo's thunderstorms may continue, but there's a bigger chance of those in Sao Paulo, especially in the afternoon. And same goes for Buenos Aires. Warm but not hot and partly cloudy in Santiago, so perfect weather there. Now, not that perfect over in Moscow, meaning overcast skies, not letting the sun shine through that much, and a slight rise in temperatures will hardly be noticeable. It's going to get slushy in Berlin due to a mix of rain and snow, and only rain is expected in the morning in Paris and throughout the day in Madrid. Finally, in Africa, cloudy skies in Algiers will give way to more sunshine later in the day, but it won't feel too warm though, be more like cool. Now, far down in Cape Town, it'll be very warm at the peak of the day. Now, for more updates, I'll be back here after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, So-ah. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.